Welcome.
This is Shaun, a colleague of Fearless Inspiration. I just want to quote this word for someone who's facing difficult times right now. I just want to tell you that there's nothing wrong with you because you are having a hard time healing from what you are going through. I just want to say sometimes you face difficult situations. Don't take them as a negative thing. Take them as a positive thing because challenges are meant to take you to a breakthrough. If you do not have a breakdown, you won't have a breakthrough. You have to go challenges. There's nothing easy in life. You have to face challenges. And if you face challenges and overcome them, you will overcome any situation that you are facing in life. That's the quote that I have today.